Hey guys, today we will be solving the another LeetCode problem number 100, same trees. In this problem we have given two trees and we have to find out if these two trees are identical or not. These trees are identical if each node of these two trees have same value. Like this first example, all the values are same. But if we see this second example, left side we have 2, but here left side we have null. So null is not equal to 2, so these two trees are not equal. And if we see this example, so left side we have 2, but here left side we have 1, so these two trees are also not equal. So first brute force approach which comes to our mind is that we create two functions for each tree for transversing. We will consider pre-order transversal. Pre-order transversal is like first we will go to left side, then root, then right side. So in this case, we for brute force we will form two functions for each trees, each transversing pre-orderly and storing their values in vector 1, and second tree storing values in vector 2, and at last comparing these two vectors if they are equal or not equal. But this will take more time and space, so it is not very much optimal. So second and most optimal solution for this problem will be we will form only one function, and in that function we will transverse on a single node of this tree, like this is our first tree, P tree, and this is our second tree, Q tree. So we will consider one function, single function, and we will first see if the root nodes are equal or not. If value in the root node is equal, like here is 1 and 1, so we will transverse further, and according to pre-order transversal rule we will transverse left side. So left side we will see if here value is if there is any value, and if this value is equal to this value. And suppose if here one tree have null value, and on second tree it has some value like 1, so null is not equal to value, so here our boolean value will return false. But if here is also null, and in second tree here is also null, so both are equal. Null is equal to null is equal to null, so here our trees will be equal, identical, and the boolean value will be true. So we need first of all, for optimal solution we analyzed that we need single function which will compare and recurse two trees also. All the function will be in one function. So now we need base cases, and for base cases we will consider three base cases. If this like wait a minute, this is our first tree and this is our second tree, and like I told earlier, if first tree have some value and second tree does not have any value, like it is null, So we will first I would like to show you directly the code. So you can see that we have created three base cases. First one is if first tree has null value and second tree also has null value. In this case, both the trees are identical, so they will return true value. And in second case, if first tree is null and second tree is not null, by using OR operator, we are writing this line, and in this case one will be null and another will not be null. So in this case our boolean value will be false. And if we uh, take look to third line, here we wrote a simple thing that one value of one node of tree should be equal to another value of another tree of a same node. Like it is left side of first tree, it is also left side of second tree. So here if it is not equal both the values, then it will return false. And these are our main base three conditions. And at last we will recurse. These are our base conditions. Now we will write a recursive code. So is the same tree, this same function is the same tree, p of left and q of left, means this left and second tree is also left. If these two values are not null, means this is true. And means uh, this right side is also not null, this is also true, this right side. So we will return true, means this root node have left also and right also, this also have left also and right also, nothing is null. And for base cases, base conditions, uh, in if you think what about values, then we are checking values are equal or not in this line, then recursing, checking the values, checking null values, and returning accordingly true or false. Then if this true, these conditions return true, then recursing, again this returning true, again this is recursing, again this returning true, this is recursing. And in this way, if we have a larger tree with the more number of nodes, this way we can solve that problem also. So this is our code written in C++ language, and this is a doubt that came into my mind while solving this. Like here in instead of and, if and writing true, if we wrote in this way, is the same this line, wait a minute, this line and this line is equal to, but in that case our solution will not work, because equal to are two answers same. This is used for comparing if the two answers are same or not. But and is used if both answers are true or not. This in this conditions we will not be able to check null values, null condition. So I hope you understood this problem very well, and this is a easy level question. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Meet you in next solution. Bye.